Hi everyone, I have a problem. As you know, I have 3 cars, but only 2 functional. I have the Dacia project on which I need a battery. Now getting a battery is not a problem. For the Dacia it requires a very small one and it's very cheap to get one. But it doesn't really make sense because I'm not gonna drive that car that much, and a lead acid battery it's like a consumable. What I'm gonna try to do today is to find a solution. First thing first, I need some gas for the car. At the moment the car doesn't drive to the gas station, so I'm gonna have to bring it to it. For this to work, you need a battery. This Parkside battery, it's a Bluetooth one, nothing special here, full LED bar and some adapters. I did these copper adapters for the terminals of the battery. I just need to connect the plus wire with the ground and it should work. I'm gonna attempt to start it. I'm not gonna lie, I did this before, so I know it works. I know now that it's gonna start the car, but I want to check for how long. If I only get 2 or 3 start out of one battery, it doesn't worth it. But if the battery is starting properly every time for more than 3 or 4 times, then I'm gonna know that it's a feasible thing to do. After an hour of testing, the battery is still good. It shows 2 lines. In conclusion to this video, I will say yes, you can start the car on a 12, actually a 20 volt battery from a power tool. I don't have it on me, but I also started with a 4 amp battery. This is an 8 amp hour battery. The only downside is that you cannot charge the battery while the car is running because of the electronics in the battery. But all in all, it's a good solution if you don't want to invest money in a lead acid battery that is gonna run out for your project car. This solution was perfect for me and I'm gonna keep using it for starting the car. So yes, thank you again very much for watching, and if you want to see more DIY tips like this, come back to my channel and subscribe.